I'm going to show you guys a new feature. We've been releasing features almost every week lately between AI agents that will analyze your certificates of insurance that are submitted. We're working on weekly certified payroll, anything that's submitted from your vendors, having AI be able to analyze it on top of having AI generate the subcontract, generate the attachments, chase them down, remind vendors what you're missing, add them to trackers, file them away, and do everything for you in your back office. I wanted to show you guys something that we've expanded today in terms of reoccurrence. Now, we already are able to collect documents on any type of time frame, whether it's based on when a certificate of insurance expires. Our AI system is going to know to go get a new one from that vendor and notify you that it's doing that. But what about the monthly documents, the weekly documents, or what I'm going to show you guys today, the daily documents that you need from vendors when they're on site, along with any attachments to go with those. So I'm going to come into my projects here and I'm going to show you guys a vendor that I've hired on my Sunrise Logistics Center project. Here you're going to be able to see that I hired them for drywall. The name of the subcontractor is ZK Drywall. It is a federal subcontract. It's been fully executed, meaning that our AI bots have gotten e-signatures from both sides, internal and external parties. And I can see the amount that it's for. And under tasks, I can see all of the different documents that I'm asking for from this vendor. So I'm requesting things like payment or performance bonds, payment bonds. I'm going to ask for weekly certified payroll. I showed them our invoicing procedures. I want them to submit their business license W-9 and so on. But today, I'm going to show you a daily report and then the attachments that can come along with it. And, you know, I have these documents in here, but this can collect any document on any schedule, you name it. Every Monday and Wednesday, every day of the week, every quarter, every other year, every year, whatever you guys want, whatever document flows you need from your vendors, we can collect it here. So I'm going to basically put in the work start date for this vendor. The vendors are actually prompted to do this on their own, but I'm just going to come in as a DC and say that they started last Monday on September 22nd. It is October 1st today as I create this. So when I create this, our AI system is able to know, hey, I need to create all of the open dates up to today's date. So it is set up right now in my templates to collect every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And you're going to see that it created these periods here. And now it's also automatically going to remind the vendor, track it down, and you're going to see that I have 23 open tasks that are missing from my vendor in my dashboard. Here are those daily reports here. But I'm going to come back to projects. I'm going to come back into that project here, and then I'm going to come into that task. And I'm going to show you guys that when you submit this daily report here, you get a couple of options. So I'm just going to drag and drop one that I have saved here. Just going to submit a document here, and you're going to see how it turns into a completed document down here. So now the system is storing it. If a sub submitted this document for you, it would go into what's called a pending approval bucket. So you and your team would be able to review this document before you approve it and it gets filed away. But if I open this here, I would be able to see more details around this document, delete it, download it, see the document if I want to preview it again. But I also would be able to see any attachments that the sub have given me with that document. So if we are asking for our vendors to submit photos with their daily reports or so on, you're going to be able to see all of this in one place. And the best part about it is the system's going to rename every document and store it in this documents tab here based on your file naming structure. So here I'm going to be able to see, you know, that this is not only saving the daily report in a file naming structure that I like, but it's also adding any date references on the back of that file name. And if I ever need to get any of these documents off to an owner, off to a PM, off to somebody in the company, I can just check them, filter them, check them, and download, and it will bulk download a zip file with all of your documents perfectly organized. And we're doing this without ever filling out a PDF, without ever uploading an attachment, without ever downloading attachment from an email, never updating trackers. The system's going to automatically know, and these bots are going to chase this down from your vendors And not only that, but it's also going to give a fill and sign experience for every single document that you send your vendors. So if they are walking the job site, they can just open it on their phone, fill in the daily report, fill in the SF-1413, fill in the subcontract, fill in the point of contact form, whatever you request from your vendors, and they're going to be able to get it back to you in the exact format that you need, and it's going to be automatically stored away, tracked, and reported on. So this is a improvement in terms of being able to get attachments along with the daily reports. We're super excited to launch this because some of our users in our general contractor community have been asking to add supporting attachments for a submitted document like photos or videos. So that is it. If you guys want to see all of the details around the fully automated AI back office system and how it can save you guys tons of grunt work and time between copy and pasting, downloading attachments, and filling in Word documents or templates, please book in a time with us and we would love to show you more. Thanks.